All right, we're going to be taking a look at this mini projector that was sent over to me for review. So I actually just recently hooked it up and have it all set up, ready to go. And it actually is pretty cool. Now, it comes with an included remote control. And on this remote, you can easily navigate to YouTube, Netflix, and Prime Video, probably the top 3 apps that you're going to use. Now, I also have it set up for you right now to connect to my laptop to display what I'm showing on my laptop. Now, in order to use the different apps, you will need to know your internet access code to set up on your internet. And after that, you're good to go. Up at the top here, very easy. You have a power connection. And then on the back here, you have your HDMI connection. You have a USB connection, an audio connection for like headphones or speakers. And then you also have a power button. Now, what I like about this is that it does have a nice stand at the bottom. So it will keep it nice and sturdy long as you're using a nice flat tabletop. And you can actually rotate this as well. So you can position this in a myriad of different ways with the stand. So I can actually rotate it and flip it and have the image going over here if I wanted to as well. So a couple different ways that you can actually set this up depending on your specific location of the projector. Really quiet on the back end is the fan, so you will have that heat disperse out. You will hear a little bit of noise or fan noise essentially, but it is pretty quiet. And as you can see, this is just literally on my table here. Now I do have it over here pointed at one of my walls, and I'll kind of show you the image itself. Now it is kind of bright in here, so what I do need to do is turn down some of the lights real quick here, and we'll switch over. So it's on the wall here, and let's turn off a couple lights so that you can better see the image itself. And as you can see here, what I'll also do is it also does recalibration. So let's say I want to turn it a little bit and refocus it. I can actually turn it over and it'll actually recalibrate itself. And there's the TCL image to recalibrate. So it does it automatically manual, do the automatic keystone. And then with the remote control, I can actually come over here and actually select what I want to show. So if I want the TV, if I want to go to Netflix, if I want to go to YouTube, these are all default. And then you can also go into the input section, which is where I'll go right now, because under inputs, then it'll look for my HDMI connection, which I have plugged into my laptop. And there's me actually live streaming on Amazon talking about products. So I have my connection to my laptop connected directly to the projector. But again, you can also go back to the home menu and watch YouTube, Netflix, or Amazon Prime. So if you're looking for a projector that is easy to travel with for your needs, this is definitely one to check out.